What is up, guys? My name is Ar here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look at a quick market roundup update because this market has absolutely been bleeding. We got MKR right here, MakerDAO currently up 9.6%. We got DYDX of 4.10%, but you might be wondering why the whole market is currently in red. Well, if we have a look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is actually down to under or below $26,000. So if we have a look at the Bitcoin chart, now I know you guys might say, oh, Bitcoin, another technical analysis. Like, yeah, at the end of the day, Bitcoin's king and Bitcoin's a leader. And if you guys could see right here, why do we have the pump yesterday? Because obviously good news happened on Bitcoin. And why do we have the dump today on Bitcoin? Why is the whole market bleeding? Because Bitcoin is obviously bleeding. This is not too crazy or not too complicated to understand. It wasn't yesterday, it was actually 2 days ago. But we can see right here that Bitcoin is actually back down to this level we were consolidating. So here is pretty much was like this pump right here. So these two pumps are pretty much irrelevant, nothing too crazy to see over here. If we have a look at the weekly candle, that is one ugly weekly candle. Look at that huge wick, guys. I mean, look how ugly this wick is. This thing bounced all the way 8% in 1 week and then came back down, got rejected. And a lot of people said that they wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin goes back up to $28,000 before essentially coming back down. And if you guys saw my video a few days ago, I said I wouldn't be surprised if we see a massive rejection around 28 to 29,000 level. Now, why did I call $29,000? Well, because of this area right here, 28,900. I thought we were gonna run up a little bit more, another $300-400 more before essentially getting rejected. And as you guys can see right here, this is exactly what happened. Now, we did have this wick right here, which is sitting at 28,600. So I was short by a little bit, but I made sure to put it on Twitter to be careful and to not essentially have a long, because a lot of people were going to get wrecked. And this is exactly what is happening. Now, this level right here at 25,000 is very crucial and very important. If we break this level, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin comes all the way down right here to $15,000. And if that does happen, we could see the altcoins heavily bleeding. We're gonna see Doge bleed right here. Doge is not looking, oh my god, that's actually so cool. I had no idea it does that. But we could see Doge bleeding, we could see Pepe bleeding, we could see a lot of these cryptocurrency bleeding. And Pepe right now is not looking too great also. Is this the beginning of the end for Pepe cryptocurrency? Because we know right here that Pepe just broke a very important crucial level right here. If I take my arrow, this is a important one and this is a very important one right here. Can we essentially see this get destroyed? So I think where we will see Pepe get destroyed, unfortunately. Pepe might not make a comeback. I don't know, I don't want to say anything, but we could see Pepe lose 80% of its value right now within the next couple of days. I'm not even kidding, unless it decides to end the weekly candle above here. But it's not looking great, guys. It is not looking great at all. We got BNB right here also holding, not looking pretty well at a very important support region right here on BNB. As you guys can see, it could be a very good time to buy once we essentially break that area right here. This is BNB on the weekly time frame as well. So this is obviously, I'm going to talk about a few coins, so not just Bitcoin, but BNB right now. If Bitcoin does break below $25,000, we could see essentially BNB coming all the way down to a, I don't even know, maybe even $50. I know it's crazy, but we could see BNB crash because we know that this is not the end of the bull market. Okay, so we could see BNB crash down, we could see Flux crashing down, we could see a lot of these cryptocurrency crashing down. VR is not looking so great too, still sitting at the support region right here. We did have a nice little rejection, but it seems like this support is still holding very well. Ethereum obviously not looking very well as well. We did break this nice little triangle. The big question is, can we see Ethereum revisit $1,000? Very possible. If we have a look right here at XRP, let's have a look at our XRP. XRP is still in a trend line, but guess what? We came back all the way to what we were at a few weeks ago. So this is BNB. The trend is your friend until it bends. There's no question. BNB has been following this trend since November 2022, bouncing off this trend line. And the big question is, will XRP essentially break this trend line? Because if it does, we're most likely going to see XRP at least retest the support right here to back to 30 cents. Could be another opportunity again to dollar cost average down on your XRP. If we have a look at KDA right here, KDA is looking pretty dead, I'm not gonna lie. Of course, it's not the log chart, so if I open the logarithmic chart, we could see that this is pretty much like a spiral death trap right here. Katina's not looking great. It's not looking great. I think we could see Kadena come back all the way to 30 cents. We're going to have to see. Cosmos Atom also at a very important support region. The big question is, can we see it go back all the way to this wick right here at $5.35? We're going to have to see. Solana, I think Solana, we're going to see it come back down to under $10 one more time. Solana could get very, we know there's a lot of volatility around Solana. This is a very, very important support region right here. As you guys can see, we do have support. We got a bunch of support resistance. We're going to have to see what happens over here in the near future, but things are not looking good. This is my quick video, guys, obviously on the whole crypto market. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on, and I will see you guys in my next video.